GlowBabies here, and it's your girl Glow, and I'm back with another video. Period. In today's video, oh my god, in today's video, basically what I'm going to do, I am going to do a pre-mini shop. Basically, and enough things. Me just go run some errands and buy what I buy and something, because your girl decide that she's not going to spend a lot of money to go to Carnival because it's a one-time thing, you know. But really and truly, I'm not a person who like crowds, so I don't know how that will go for me. Understand? I don't know how that will go. I get crush and tip and a wow. But we'll see today. Not today, but we'll see when the day come. You know, if you're new to this channel, not me forgetting how to do an intro. If you're new to this channel, please like, subscribe, and comment. Share to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a next friend. That's me over here, so.
Hey, things get in all the time in your friend.
at this point we were just waiting for the road march to start, but I needed to change, so I was looking somewhere where I can change. But because y'all probably wondering why do I have to change, but I needed to be in something more comfortable than the all-in-one that I was in, because the white thing was an all-in-one, but you know, ain't nobody comfortable dancing in those stuffs. Well, at least me. But there we was. Y'all take notes of how I look, because the after, man, the after. Look at the makeup, the lashes, the fingers. Take notes.
Let's go. Say we ready, yeah we ready, yeah we ready. Say we ready. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, go.
Really and truly, I didn't get enough footage of the truck, because the truck was so festive as hell. But you know, because I was videoing, so my battery died, and really and truly, me just forgot to say media video sometime. And y'all please take notes of how I look before, because the after is so messed up, bro. This was how the after party went, guys. I had more footage, but you know, you can't play everything because YouTube and all those stuff. But it was so good. Everybody there enjoyed themselves. Literally at this point, I was just so exhausted and tired of the crowd. But then I remember that I was vlogging, so I just started videoing the rest of the night and then went home. But it was good. It wasn't what I expected, because I thought that more people was going to be there, or probably it's just because I don't stay in the crowd like this, as in you're seeing here, because I stay on this mini stage right here, so I can video everything and see all angles. Y'all see this mini stage right here, be rivers. We'd have to come off one time and just start video everybody, get everybody from all angles, because I was there too, you know, but then I get exhausted of everybody and tired. Y'all get ready for the after look. This is not me. This is not me. One fingernail, people. One fingernail. I don't know if you guys could tell that it was press on, but one fingernail left. It was 2, but then it goes down to 1, and I just take it off. The wig there slip off, man, because I sweated. I was so sweating. Man, I'm wicked online. After look how me look, the man not gonna tell me say me look beautiful. Nothing fun, this look beautiful, sir. Like, are you blind? Not me in Arterius looking like this. Like, what the fuck? Guys, movie.
One thing about me, I'm going to ask for the food. No matter how sick or hungover, anywhere I am, I'm going to ask for the food.
I don't want snacks, we want food.
How are some Scooby-Dooby-Doo and the Hunger Crew? Once the girl can't hunger, so?
Look how the lady look. This is not giving cute. This is not cute. Anyways, guys, I will be posting pictures on my Instagram. If you are not see it as yet, you can go over there at GlowBabies. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.